Ladies and gentlemen, we are live now. Let's see how the price action is in today's session. London session, the last session we traded was absolute dog shit. I mean, what to say about this price action, man? How can anyone predict where the price will go next in this shit, this chop? Too bad of a price action, and it was continuing for hours. You can see nothing is really predictable here. No good moves. The good moves were just happened. This 1 hour push is good enough to make money. But yeah, I was not part of that move. Obviously, I was not streaming. No trades away from stream. You know that people take losses on stream and then they come back and they are like, "Yeah, I made that money back." But how, bro? We didn't see you make money. Show us. So we had this severely massive push towards the upside, and we were forming this bull flag or this channel for a while. And just when volume cam came, and we see this upward movement, the bullish push. If this breaks above daily open, this level, and holds it as a support, we will continue, probably break this, and it's also a possibility that we test the all-time highs. Not sure about all-time highs today, because we have already moved bullish for quite a few days, especially on the forex side of things. So the daily candle on the futures chart had a red day, and yesterday we closed bullish. So we are officially above resistance. If we continue it on the day, we'll see this daily high get broken, and we can also see a new all-time high. But let me tell you guys, this is really extended push. We have been bullish for so long, which makes it kind of sketchy. But let's see. No judgments here. The previous 4 hour high has been broken. Now, this 1 hour candle, good enough support. Not the best one, obviously, but it kind of faked out into the zone, and the next candle just drove up. On the 30 minutes, same story. On the 15 minutes, we have some sort of a W or double bottom here, officially double bottom, right? So I was anticipating double bottoms here, but they did not succeed. This was a big enough double bottom to succeed. Now price can just retest this level and go back up. I was thinking of taking buys here. This was a bullish candle, 30 minutes on a support above the range. So technically, we should push towards the upside. But I didn't for some reason. One reason might be that I am kind of conservative now after those two losses. Let me tell you what's the reason behind being so conservative. So I have $900 of drawdown available, right? Now, if I lose this $900, I will lose the challenge. I am still up around 360, $370. But I will still lose the challenge if I lose the available $900 drawdown. That's why I am uh, lowering my risk, and I will be risking approximately $200 per trade. And if I get a chance to add, the maximum I will risk will be $100 on add-ons. Another thing I am going to do is base hits. So if I am risking $200, I want to try to get it to $1,500 or $1,000. It's a irrational risk to reward, and it does not have good enough chances to succeed even in these market conditions. So I will be having base hits. I will be aiming 1.5x to 2x or even 2.5x, which means take profits somewhere between $300 to $500. Take profits. Okay. So one more thing, risk will be 20% of drawdown. 20% of drawdown. Let's change the settings a bit. So 20% of $900 is approximately $180. Let's just say $200, right? These are my rules. Along with them, one loss per session is here. I won't be losing more than once in a session. So in the London session, I had two losses because of bad market conditions, and the people who were trading with similar playbooks also had such a loss. That's why I am limiting it to one loss per session and two losses in a day. This whole game is all about survival. If I can survive this $900 drawdown, I will be able to make $2,600. 2630 is the number. There's $30 more to go. But it's all about patience, right? If I win first trade, then I can trade. I mean, if I win first trade, I can take the second trade. If I win second trade, I can take the third trade. But only one loss per session and two losses in a day. These are the rules which I will be abiding by. Let's just check the current PNL. So it says 50,007, I mean 50,372. Let me calculate the exact drawdown available for me. I was up $1,467 yesterday, $1,467, and I have $372 as the profit above the 15,000 50,000 mark. I have lost $1,995, right? So 2000 minus $1,095, which I have lost today, gives me $905 of drawdown. Let's let's change the numbers to the exact ones. $905 of drawdown. 26 2628 is the number available for me. I mean, is the target I have to make. $628 more on this account. It was a really great 15-minute bullish trend, and I was unable to capture that. It's okay. I will be waiting for support to form. Take buys again. You could have bought here, and stop losses would be below this candle, waiting or expecting to go up. It's kind of hard to buy there, but the people who bought it there made money. All in all, today's range is kind of a choppy. It's not an ideal day trade. One another good trade was probably this breakout, which closed above the range, above the trend line, and this candle, which also closed above the level to the left, and the third candle in a low with a third breakout above this level. So these three candles could have been anyone's trading candles, but it was not my plan. My plan was to trade the New York session and not the PNY. Let's see how it reacts to the take profit we had. So we couldn't get an entry and the take profit is getting hit. Wow. My actual thought was, if this 1 hour candle breaks out and retests into this level, I will buy, putting my stop loss below this 1 hour candle on this blue line or below this blue line. But volume seems to be really aggressive and no pullbacks were granted here. That's all okay. The main mindset I currently have, let me also add it here, is I have a month to clear this account, right? So the whole February is mine. I can do whatever I want on this account. I can go how slow I want to go on this account, and this is it. So only three sessions went, right, to London, and we still have, uh, let me calculate, 37 more sessions at least. So 37 more sessions to come. Got it, brothers and sisters. And if I want to make $2,628, One way to make it is 13 trades, 13 trades, 1 to 1, risking $200. So even if I don't increase my size, I have 37 sessions in which I only have to make 13 good trades, great trades with a 1 to 1 risk reward. And I am considering no adding of, no over risking or no increasing of size. $200 is definitely not a big percentage to risk. We are having lots and lots of volume, man. This whole thing just exploded just because we were having so much of consolidation, and this whole consolidation was just liquidity for price to just fuel towards the upside. This level was broken. I think the next two levels will also get broken. One thing I could have done here is I could have added a small amount when the 1 hour broke its all this high, right? So the stop loss would have been below this candle, 95 pips or let's say 100 pips. I could only go in with 4 contracts, right? No, I could only go with 2 contracts, but I would have been in the trade and would have made, if I close it here, 67 pips, so 160, 170, no, $140. If I would hold it to the all-time highs, it would have been 200 pips, so $400. But it was kind of a risky trade and somewhat nonsensical as well. Risking 100 pips is not a good thing, I think. It's all okay because we will form some sort of support or resistance in the next 2 or 1.5 hours, and that's all we want. We just want one trade out of this session because we got 37 more sessions to come, right? That's the mindset I am currently developing and having. So a decent pullback or some sort of salary candle, inverted salary candle would have been great. If I want to give an example of an salary candle, I think something like this is a salary candle, inverted salary. It is getting rejected from the downside and it closes bullish. So if here the next candle comes down, breaks this level and then closes bullish, it will be rejection from the downside, right? So that could have been an option, but currently price is just juicing up and up and up. I don't have any FOMO. The exact same thing I was not having in the previous London session. I took some trades, but they were not the best quality, I could say. I was a little bit confused, and I thought price action was good up till that point, but then it just got worse and worse and worse. Just tell me How can someone make money in this consolidation? It's too hard. Someone makes money following the 30-minute trend, buying here and just holding, and keeping their stop losses below the lows. There are no consecutive candles here. Price is just faking out, breaking out, and again faking out. That just does not make any sense. I'll have to wait. I will be pausing my microphone for a bit. Let's just draw a trend line here. Gold can still push on the forex chart, but it is closed without a topic. So that's a problem. There is a chance it can come back down here, create some support to then go up. On the futures chart, it has still room to go towards the all-time highs. Let's draw the trend line here. So on the futures chart, we can see some sort of a support, probably here or some where like here. It's also possible. Some sort of a retracement, then a support, go towards the upside. 15 minute is okay to trade here. 30 minute, if you trade 30 minute, you might even lose the move. See this big 8 candle. Wow, what a move, bro. Read the length of this candle. It is 150 pips. Wow, 150 pips captured in 30 minutes. Kind of unbelievable. But this is the New York session and the gold volatility, guys. Holy, holy, holy. What I just found is we do have two different charts here. Let's see. So this MGC1 chart is completely different than this MGCJ20 chart. And I think that might be the reason of some of the issues I was facing. I did not see this resistance cause and this leftward resistance was already broken in this chart, right? This is why I'm going to shift my chart here. Let's lock it. From now on, I will be using this chart. Let's see how it works and how it operates. We didn't close above on this level, but we are still going to fill this wick. We're trying to fill this wick because we have made a lower wick, right? See the power just taking this high and juicing upwards. The 1 hour closed properly above and juicing upwards as well. 30 minutes. So overall the price action is similar here, but if you go and look left, it's different. I'll be right back. So price is currently pulling back, and let's just see it on 30 minutes. We see a rejection from the top. Let's see if we get any setup towards the downside or towards the upside, whatever we get. The previous 4 hour is bearish, but the highs of that candle has been broken. So we can't rely on that. We have tapped target. If we say this was the target, we have kind of tapped it, or we are rejecting from it. One more sign of slowing down is no good wick, no top wick, or no decent go on the 30-minute candle. The 1 hour is pulling back. Let's see how it closes. If the 1 hour closes below these ranges, we have something towards the downside. Because let's just see. No 1 hour candle has closed above it, above this zone, right? And the 1 hour candle which closed above it figured out, right? So this is a crucial zone. Let me mark it now. Something like this. And we want the 1 hour to break out. But another issue with the breakout is that we are extended. We are pretty extended from the downside, exactly like or something like this candle or this move. It's not as extended as this move, but will still be extended. One more thing is we don't have a bottom wick on the 1 hour, so that's some problem for us. Let's say all 30 closes, and we will see if we are planning for an upside move or a downside move. This monthly level is giving a fake out on 30 minutes, right? We can come back till this daily open, where I will close my shorts if I enter into shorts and think of again going long. Let's see how the 1 hour closes. Everything depends on the 1 hour and 30-minute close. If the 1 hour closes below this, sorry, above this level, we are still bullish. If the 1 hour closes below this level, we are bearish for the most part. So the red line is pretty important for us. 20 seconds to go. Let's see. So the 1 hour has closed just above the level which I had marked. If this candle creates a bottom wick and we see some sort of support on the 15, I will give it a shot towards the upside. It looks good to me. Can I buy now? That's a good question to ask. What if I buy now? Where will my stops be? I will have to stop. I will have to use these stops right here. Not a good risk reward. So we just barely missed faking out on this level. We are still above it, closing above it. So Not so bearish currently. We do have a good chance to form a support here. If we form a support on the 15, we are good to go towards the all-time highs. Let's see what happens. I do want to see a good enough liquidity wick on the 1 hour, because if we get rejected from the downside, the only direction will go is upside, right? Rejection from these candles, or maybe even this zone, will be good. It is coming downwards, and that's a good sign for us. We can take some shots, but where will be the target? That's a good question. Can we plan a 1 to 1 towards the downside with some steep wicks? It's a 100 pip candle. The shorts will have to be current candle shorts, 30 pips. If we come to the downside, if we target this 41 pips, kind of tough. If this high gets broken and the lows get broken again, I will be in shorts. So the high is not broken yet. Let's see, let's observe. I'm just planning a trade, right? Not executing right now. So what if we have these break flows, stops approximately here, and we take profit at this zone right here, 1 to 1, or risking 200 to make 400 or 350, let's say. What if we just came down here to break this high and fill this wick on the 1 hour? That's a possibility, but that's why I am staying kind of safe with this short. If we break this high again, then we shouldn't break the lows, right? If we are breaking the high and then breaking the lows, then the sellers will be aggressive, let's say, and will also be aggressive to trail our stops to break even. Is it a good short? Yes, it is. Let's see if I can enter it. I am in sales right now, and we'll close it right here. Please placed my TP here. Let me also place the stop loss. So this is a limit and this will be a stop, right? Seems bullish. Activated the sellers and it's going up. Pretty bullish. We'll see what happens. I'm stopped out. Stop order executed. It is going towards the upside. It was a decent trade, but again, against the trend, got support at this level and stopped out. We didn't risk much around. Let me check. Brief information I had written. Cannot find it. So 30-minute has broken the previous low to break its own high. And let's see if we get a support. First of all, I will have to figure out if I have the capacity to trade today. So I lost $238 on this trade, and this is one single loss of a session. I won't be trading more, but I will demo trade, right? So if I would be trading, my bias would be bullish. So we've got activated. Should have gone break even really fast, but we didn't. We're expecting come down up till here. We didn't. That's okay. The overall bias remains bullish. For the 1 hour, it is formed the bottom wick, and now we are looking for buys. If the 15 closes like this bullish, we can take buys anywhere in this range. There will be a chance that these highs get broken and we see a push towards upside. Or we will see a red candle and can take sells towards the downside. So a support gets formed like this and the red candle invalidating the support and closing below it. Anyways, I won't be trading for today. Today was a pretty bad day. We had 1333 lost. Let me write lost 1333 dollars. So draw down the remaining is, let me calculate, 2000 minus 1333, which is $667. Yesterday we had made around $1,500, exactly $1,500, and today we have lost majority of it. It's okay. Three consecutive trades, and the market conditions are not the best, but we still do see moves like this. It's all about capturing them, getting your shot, and pulling the trigger. I pulled the trigger three times, and we lost three times. Some execution mistakes were there today, and whatever happened today, we'll just learn from it and make back the losses. We still have $667 remaining. Let's see if we can make it. That's it for today. I won't be streaming today. We'll see you in London most probably. Plus.